In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your account here in Vantage Market. Now, if you're no longer using your account or simply want to close it permanently, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. But before requesting account deletion, you need to ensure that all of the open trades are closed. So go to your account. You want to make sure that your balance is 0 and you have withdrawn all available funds here, because Vantage will not process account closure if you still have any active trades or remaining funds in your account. Having said all of that, please take note that there isn't a direct option to delete your account from the dashboard. Okay, so what you need to do instead is to contact the Vantage support, which can be found at the bottom right corner where you can see the chat box. Click on it, type in your questions, and what will happen is Vantage support will provide you an article or a guidance that you need to follow. If you click on it, this will forward you to a new page. You may notice that you need to complete the account closure form. Click on it. From here, you need to provide all of the information needed, your complete name, email, and of course, the reason for termination. Once you've done that, all you have to do is click the submit button. After submitting your request, wait for any confirmation from the Vantage support team. And of course, you need to follow any additional instructions they send, because once processed, you will receive an email confirming your account has been closed. Keep that confirmation email for your records. So basically, that's it for today's video on how you can delete your account here in Vantage Market. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.